If you've been thinking about starting a Shopify store but don't want to spend a lot up front, this is the best deal you can use right now. Shopify is currently offering a promo where you can start for free, then continue for just $1 per month for the first 3 months. So instead of paying full price right away, you can build and test your store for almost nothing. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get that deal step by step so you don't miss it. First, go down to the description and click the Shopify link I provided. Just a quick heads up, that's an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission if you decide to use Shopify. There's no extra cost to you, and you still get the same deal. Once you click it, you'll land on Shopify's sign up page. All you need to do here is enter your email, create a password, and click to create your store. Now Shopify will ask you a few setup questions, things like what you plan to sell, if you're already selling, and some basic business details. You can answer these or skip through them. It won't affect your ability to get the offer. And after that, you'll be taken straight into your Shopify dashboard. At this point, you're officially on the free trial. And this is where a lot of people make a mistake. They rush through this part, but this is actually the best time to set up your store design, add your products, customize your pages, and get everything ready to launch, because you're not paying anything yet. Now let's talk about the $1 per month deal. Once your free trial ends, Shopify will prompt you to choose a plan, and instead of paying the normal monthly price, you'll see an option to continue for just $1 per month for the next 3 months. That's the deal we're trying to unlock. To make sure you get it, click Choose a Plan inside your dashboard. Select the basic plan if you're just starting out, and you should see the discounted pricing applied automatically. Who should actually use this deal? This is perfect if you want to try e-commerce without a big investment, are testing a new product idea, or just want to learn Shopify without committing to full pricing right away. It gives you a really low risk way to get started. One thing I personally recommend, don't activate your paid plan right away. Take full advantage of the free trial first, build everything out, make sure your store is ready, and then upgrade. That way you're using that $1 a month period as actual selling time, no setup time. So if you want to get started with Shopify and lock in that $1 per month deal, go ahead and click the link in the description. That'll take you to the correct page so you get the full offer. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe. I post tutorials like this all the time to help you build websites, online stores, and save money while doing it. And I'll see you in the next one.